Welcome back to Degitech Dynamo. In today's video, we're going to build an RFID-based door lock system using Arduino, a servo motor, and a buzzer. Here's what you'll need for this project: an Arduino Uno, an RFID module, a 16-2 I2C LCD display, a servo motor, a buzzer, and some jumper wires. These components will allow us to create a system where only authorized RFID tags can unlock the door. Let's start by connecting our components. The RFID module is connected to the Arduino using SPI pins. The servo motor is connected to pin 3, and the buzzer is connected to pin 4. The I2C LCD is connected to the SDA and SCL pins. Make sure all connections are secure. Now let's take a look at the code. We start by including the necessary libraries for the RFID module, LCD display, and servo motor. In the setup, we initialize the RFID module and the LCD, set the servo to a locked position, and display the Scan Your RFID message on the LCD. When an authorized RFID tag is detected, the servo motor rotates to unlock the door, and the LCD displays Door Unlocked. The buzzer will beep once to indicate success. After 2 seconds, the door automatically locks again. If an unauthorized tag is scanned, the LCD will show Invalid RFID tag, and the buzzer will beep 4 times to alert you of the error. Let's see it in action. Here's an authorized RFID tag. When I scan it, the door unlocks and the system beeps to confirm. Now let's try an unauthorized tag. Notice how the buzzer alerts us and the door remains locked. And there you have it, a simple yet effective RFID door lock system using Arduino. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Degitech Dynamo for more DIY electronics projects. See you next time.